Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Today we will do Chapter 18 Turtle. Chapter 18 Turtle from Art and Activity Skillbook. Take out your yellow and orange color book. Take out your book fast. Take out your book fast. And one thing that I want to tell you that we should obey our elders. हमें अपनों से बड़ों का सम्मान करना चाहिए. We should obey our elders. Okay? We should obey our elders. Now, come back to your worksheet. What is this? This is turtle. This is turtle. Now, take out your crayons. Take out your crayons fast. First of all, take out your green color. Take out your green color and start coloring with me. Which color is this? Green color. Start coloring with me. And fill the gaps, okay? Do it properly and neatly. Do it properly and neatly. And fill the gaps. Color this fast and properly. Fill the gaps, okay? Which color is this? This is green color. This is green color. Again, do green color in legs. And do it neatly and properly, okay? Do it neatly and properly. All of you completed fast. Completed fast. And now tell me which color is this? This is brown color. This is brown color. Now left the worksheet is your homework and I will see in the next class. Okay? I will see in the next class. And this is your homework. I hope you enjoyed this. See you soon in the next class and complete your homework. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care.